Here's how to turn a dull shot into a magnifying product poster with Adobe Photoshop. Is there a feeling that this product doesn't fit into this background? Grab the Object Selection tool and choose the area around your object, or just click the highlighted area. Right-click and hit Select Inverse. Then, write your prompt in the Generative Fill pop-up. AI will automatically blend the colors to your product. Choose one of 3 variations, or click the Generate Similar feature to add more options. If your product feels rugged, select the edges with the Selection tool and fix them with the Generative Fill. Add new visual elements to acquire an engaging shot. Imagine effortlessly creating a perfect scene for any product. Enhance boring product shots, or create new from just a photo. Use this for personal projects or to create stunning social ads. Visit the link in the description to learn more about Generative Fill use cases.